Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Xiaomi Destornillador is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools you can add to your home or workshop, offering precision and power for a wide range of tasks, from assembling furniture to tackling intricate electronic repairs, making it an indispensable gadget for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. HOTO Electric Screwdriver Rechargeable 3.6V. Experience ultimate convenience with this tool. It features ultra-tough S2 steel bits with a magnetic tip for quick changes. The auto-on LED light ensures you can work even in dimly lit areas, perfect for furniture assembly, DIY projects, or electrical repairs. This electric drill is designed for easy elegance and comfort. Weighing just 0.55 pounds with a double-layered soft grip, it feels great in your hand. The included aluminum storage box holds all bits, making it a portable and stylish DIY companion. Take complete control with this mini drill. It offers 3 torque settings and a smart sensor that stops rotation instantly when you release the button. This ensures no scratched screws or injured fingers, allowing for easy one-handed operation. This power screwdriver boasts a 1500 mAh high-capacity battery for long-lasting endurance. When it's time to recharge, simply use the Type-C port for a fast and efficient charge in under 150 minutes. Unlock your DIY potential with this comprehensive kit. It includes the cordless screwdriver, a set of 12 S2 metal bits, an aluminum storage box, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a user manual, providing everything you need for your projects. What we like. If you need a versatile screwdriver for furniture and electrical repairs, this is your go-to. Its tough bits and shadowless LED make even dim workshops easy to work in. Choose this if you prioritize durability and convenience for a wide range of DIY tasks. What people say. It's powerful, easy to use, and makes assembling and repairs so much faster. The battery life is solid and it holds a charge well. Feels sturdy in hand and comes with useful bits. The build quality on this is very impressive, the simplicity of the design is very Apple-like. The case design is ingenious. It is a very well thought out product. There is one rocker button for forward and reverse, a turn knob at the top for on-off and torque setting, of which there are 3 choices, and a USB-C port at the bottom end for charging. It has a lot more torque than I thought it would. The battery seemed to last a long time. I never ran out of power on my project and used it quite a bit. It has a nice assortment of bits that come with it and they seem to be good quality as well. This electric rechargeable screwdriver definitely makes life more convenient. It's incredibly convenient to use this screwdriver to tighten or loosen screws, especially compared to the tiny Allen keys that come with furniture kits. The screwdriver is lightweight, well-crafted, and comfortable to hold. It's also intuitive and easy to operate. The battery charge lasts well. The included screwdriver bits cover most everyday needs, and it's nice that they can be stored in the screwdriver container. Number 4. Fanttik E1 Pro Mini Electric Screwdriver. Introducing the Fanttik E1 Pro Mini Electric Screwdriver, your ultimate companion for intricate electronic repairs. Its precision design ensures accuracy for all your delicate tasks. Experience superior control with its dual electric torque settings and a robust manual torque option. This tool is designed for extended use, making it perfect for repairing everything from phones to cameras. Never lose a screw again thanks to its innovative magnetic bits and a fully magnetized body. A quick magnetization zone ensures your bits are always ready for action, even when working upside down. Crafted with high-quality S2 steel bits and a sturdy aluminum case, this screwdriver is built to last. Its pen-shaped, ergonomic body ensures a comfortable and secure grip for prolonged use. Equipped with a powerful 350 mAh battery, enjoy up to 2 hours of continuous operation or tighten around 400 screws on a single charge. Convenient USB-C charging keeps you powered up. This set includes the mini electric screwdriver, a sleek storage case, 24 precision bits, a USB-C charging cable, and a user manual, providing everything you need for any repair job. What we like. For intricate electronic repairs on devices like phones, watches, or cameras, this mini screwdriver excels. Its precise torque settings and magnetic design prevent small parts from getting lost. If you're looking for a tool that handles delicate work with ease, this is the one. What people say. It generates impressive torque. At full charge, it's very hard to stop the bit from turning by hand. It's also pretty easy to switch to manual mode and get final torque on a screw. This set has had every bit EVA ever needed for any project. The screwdriver has good torque for its size and great battery life too. The screwdriver itself is small and handy, so it also reaches hard-to-access areas. It is equipped with 2 torque settings, so it is suitable for various screws. The LED lighting is very practical when you need to work in dark areas. Number 3. POWERGIANT Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. Introducing the POWERGIANT Mini Electric Screwdriver, your compact solution for intricate electronic repairs. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. This upgraded set includes 55 precision bits and a magnetic mat, all neatly organized in a convenient storage box. The magnetic corners help keep everything in place. Don't let its size fool you. This small electric screwdriver delivers powerful performance with a speed of 150 Rmin and a torque of up to 3 Nm. It's perfect for all your electronic repair needs, working continuously for up to 2 hours. With 55 precision bits and an extension rod, it handles a wide range of devices. From watches and cameras to smartphones and laptops, it's the ideal tool for various electronic products. Work with clarity thanks to the 360 degrees shadowless lighting. 3 embedded LED lights illuminate your workspace, ensuring you never miss a detail. It's powered by a rechargeable battery and charges quickly via USB. The package includes the mini screwdriver, 55 precision bits, an extension rod, a magnetizer, and a magnetic pad. Everything you need for effortless repairs is right here. What we like. This set is perfect for anyone tackling a wide variety of small electronic repairs, from phones to drones. With 55 bits and a magnetic mat to keep everything organized, it offers unmatched versatility. If you need a comprehensive kit for diverse repair needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The main box is a high-quality, very sturdy box just like the Apple iPhone comes in. Then each item that came with the kit was individually packed and in their own plastic sleeves. Mine came with a magnetic mat that has one side that's a huge magnet from edge to edge, then the reverse side has little gray dots and each dot is a little magnetic spot. This is nice for GPU tear-downs because I can locate the screws as they came from the card in the grid on the little magnetic dots. Really cool. Then it came with a micro USB cord for charging, a tool magnetizer demagnetizer, 55-piece quality bit kit. They are very well made. So the driver itself is about the thickness of a standard highlighter, which is perfect. There is a forward and reverse button located near the tip in a comfortable location. There are 3 nice bright LEDs right in the tip, which is really nice. The torque is what really surprised me. I've had absolutely no issues breaking these screws loose on any of the 40 to 50 GPUs I've worked on this past few weeks. But the battery life is amazing on this little screwdriver. I forgot about even plugging it in because it never seemed to feel like it was dying. Out of all those GPUs and in the last few weeks I've plugged it in I think twice. Among the various features, 2 stand out for me, the magnetizer and the torque. These aspects of the tool have truly impressed me. The magnetizer tool has been a lifesaver when working on computers. Being able to effortlessly magnetize or demagnetize screws has made my tasks much safer. It's a small but indispensable tool that can save a lot of time and frustration, especially when dealing with tiny screws in laptops and desktops. Now, about the torque, this is where this tool truly shines. The screwdriver's torque is exceptional, allowing me to handle even the tightest screws with ease. It gives me the precision and control I need for delicate tasks, which is crucial in computer repair. The battery life has been impressive. I've only had to charge it a handful of times since I purchased it in January 2023. This level of endurance ensures that the tool is ready whenever I need it, without frequent interruptions for charging. For light-duty i.e. cell, electronic devices, this unit is wonderful. The torque is excellent and the battery life is good. The lighted tip is a nice touch. Comes with an array of tamper and standard bits, which is a plus with a hand mag-demag unit. Charges quick too. Number 2. HOTO Upgraded Electric Screwdriver Kit. This premium set includes 25 durable S2 steel bits for exceptional performance. Magnetic design allows for quick changes, and the extension rod helps you reach tight spaces. Everything is neatly organized in a refined, compact box. Choose from 3 adjustable torque levels for different tasks. Electric mode offers up to 4 Nm, while manual mode provides up to 8 Nm for extra control. A smart sensor stops rotation when you release the button, ensuring safe, precise one-handed operation. Powered by a high-capacity 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers consistent performance. The Type-C charging port allows for a full charge in under 150 minutes, providing reliable power for your projects. An automatic circular LED light eliminates shadows, providing clear visibility in dark or narrow spaces. It's designed with quality, style, and ease of use in mind for confident performance. This all-in-one set includes the electric screwdriver, an extension rod, 24S2 bits, one extended PH2 bit, and a magnetic storage case. It's a practical and sleek toolkit for all your needs. Please fully charge before first use and do not operate while charging. Avoid prolonged periods without charging to prevent battery issues. It's recommended not to leave it unused for more than 10 months. What we like. Ideal for home repair and garage projects, this screwdriver offers robust performance with adjustable torque and safety features. Its long-lasting battery means you can complete projects without constant recharging. If you're looking for a reliable tool for furniture assembly and general home repairs, this is a solid pick. What people say. Small and easy to store and lightweight. So simple anyone can use it. Super easy to charge and enough power and oomph for a lot of tasks. The design is clean and compact, but it still delivers enough torque for common household tasks like furniture assembly, cabinet adjustments, outlet covers, and light-duty garage projects. The 1/4-hex system is convenient, and the included 25 bits cover most common screw types you'll encounter around the house. The light at the end of the screwdriver is a game-changer. Not only does it illuminate the work area, but it does so without casting shadows, ensuring that every nook and cranny is well lit. This attention to detail makes it a versatile tool for various projects, even in low-light conditions. Number 1. HOTO 25-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. Experience unparalleled precision with its dual-mode functionality. Effortlessly switch between electric and manual modes to tackle delicate electronics or tasks requiring extra power. Crafted for longevity and style, this tool features a robust casing and a premium aluminum alloy finish. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for repairs anywhere. Keep all your bits organized and secure with the smart magnetic storage case. Swapping bits is a breeze thanks to the magnetized front end, ensuring a smooth workflow. Equipped with 25S2 steel bits, this comprehensive set handles all your repair needs. From electronics to delicate assembly, it's the perfect companion for any task. Work for up to 2 hours on a single charge, tightening hundreds of screws. Recharging is quick and convenient with its USB-C port, so you're always ready to go. For optimal performance, please fully charge before first use and avoid operating while charging. Store it properly to maintain battery health. What we like. This mini screwdriver is designed for high-precision electronics repair, offering delicate control for small screws. Its stylish and durable aluminum body makes it a pleasure to use. If you work with delicate electronics like watches, phones, or cameras and appreciate a premium feel, this is the tool for you. What people say. It fits nicely in my hand and has a good solid feel to it. The magnetic bits are very handy when dealing with tiny screws. The storage case has a similar quality feel to it. It's small enough to fit into a pocket. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.